Hope you had a great Christmas. John even brought his presents in.
This is my most treasured Christmas gift of this year.
Okay.
It's for my 2.5-year-old grandson. It's called a rain stick. And if I turn it slowly, you'll perhaps see some of the coloring.
I'm seeing a dinosaur.
It does. Dinosaurs,
Stars.
stop signs, houses, suns. And now I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to...
Okay.
And I did this morning. It worked.
Probably too well. There isn't a wind component, is there?
I'm saving this.
Could you get rid of the wind app?
Well, let me do that part next.
Yeah.
Take a look at this. There's our current winds, currently westerly, 26 miles an hour in Savannah. Gusts this hour have been up to 32. We had a gust earlier, over 40 miles an hour officially at the airport. And the forecast for the winds will finally settle down just a bit as we go through the night, but not turn off completely. Still gusty winds expected for tomorrow, Thursday, and into the day or into the evening Thursday night before things finally settle down over this weak area of low pressure. So winds are going to be a part of our forecast, that's for sure. Thankfully, none of this snow will be a part of the forecast into the northeast or what's developing out here in the west. This is the next system, the next rainmaker. Yes, it will be rain for us as it starts to get organized here in the Intermountain West. Meanwhile, this system continues to explode up to the north and east, creating travel headaches. Everything's offshore for us, though we're starting to see some clouds start to build in. That may help us with our low temperatures this evening. But we think tonight we will be chilly. How much rain? Not much at all. Most folks less than 1/4 inch of rain. Well, don't expect any more rain at all for the evening. So our chalkboard for tonight, still windy but cooler this evening. Bright windy for tomorrow and our next rain chance late Friday into Saturday. And that could be perhaps some more significant rains, but we don't think so at this point. Watch how the front pushes away and the windy conditions finally will move away as high pressure takes over. As this high takes over, it gives us just a break in the action because here comes the next system from the Rockies down to the Gulf Coast where it will start to get organized and bring us precipitation as early as 9 o'clock Friday evening, more likely during the overnight hours Friday into very early Saturday. We'll watch that as we go along. Oh, and look at our temperatures. We had a warm front push through during the overnight hours, got us up to the 60s. Now our temperatures are falling and the current temperature is our low of the day, 52 degrees, and we see 40s farther back. We think 30s will be in the forecast for the night. For mariners, gale warning continues until midnight tonight. Small craft advisory for tomorrow. West winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas at 5 to 7 feet. So the first alert, live Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight is dry but cold. 33 inland, 37 in coastal areas. Winds will try to diminish late night tonight. It'll still be windy for most of the day tomorrow with lots of sunshine. 56 inland, 53 in coastal areas. Indeed, bright and cooler for tomorrow. Savannah at 55, 34 tomorrow night. More partly cloudy, more clouds late in the day. 59 on Friday, that chance of showers beginning overnight Friday night into Saturday. 70% chance of showers too with a high only 59. Then a little cooler after that, dry as we set up toward the New Year holiday. New Year's Eve should be dry, but New Year's Day perhaps a chance of showers later in the day and mild temperatures. Thinking is that we'll see mild temperatures for the first couple of weeks of 2013. So I'm going to use my rain stick on Saturday.
Sparingly. Sparingly, please.
Hope you had a great holiday. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
And Noah had one of those.
I think this
scale
is
back,
fabulous.
Scale back, Jack. We love you, but
this is great.
Don't shake it too much. Well, lots of signs in the neighborhood. Is anything selling? We'll check the market and the money in a